Hi beauties, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm coming to you guys with a haul video, a unboxing Boxycharm mega drop and drop shot haul video. Finally, they've been sitting on the corner for months. I didn't want it to put the makeups away because I wanted to show you guys the products that I grabbed, and I think I grabbed so many good things that I am so excited about. I just went kind of crazy. If you guys can see the box, let me show you that. Let me see if I can carry it. One moment. This is the box. I'm gonna try to get up. If I were you, I will grab my cocktail, my ice water, my cafecito. Grab your snacks, whatever you want. Popcorn, your lunch, your dinner, your breakfast. But grab something to it. It's gonna be a pretty long video. Hopefully it's not so long. We're gonna get started with the drop shot because I just have one box from the drop shot, and then the rest is all from the mega drop shot. So what I got from the drop shot is this brush set. This is the Luxe brushes. I love the handle. These brushes are really soft. This can be like a highlighter brush or a blush brush or even a contour brush. And then we also have these other two. We have a concealer brush, and then we have a angle brush, which I use this type of brush, this angle brush, to contour my nose. They work very perfectly to contour my nose. The next product that I also got is this Fenty Beauty, the Matte Stick Trio. This one comes with, I think, 2 bronzers and a contour, just like that, and it's magnetic. Oh. It's a highlighter stick, a contour stick, and a bronzer stick. And then I also got this Summerville Goat Meal Moisturizing Cream. I heard so many good things about this moisturizer. Wanted to try it out and see if it's true. I'm really anxious, like I'm really excited about this, and it doesn't. It's very watery. Lo tiré en toda parte. Oh no! I'm not gonna waste product. I'm just gonna put it on my arms. I'm not gonna waste no product. I'm not wash. This is money, you know? Money. Ooh, it feels really soft, you guys. It feels so soft. It does have a smell, but it's not like a awful smell. It has a good smell, and it's so hydrating. Look at this glow, you guys. It's so glowing. My arms are looking very glowy. I really like that. The moisturizer, very good moisturizer, but it's so watery. So if you decide to buy this, just be careful. Open it. So the next product that I also pick up is the Dominicus Cosmetic lip liner, and I got the shade Crush, a rosy brownish color. Oh, a pretty color. Moving on, I got this Soeva Dictionary Light multi-use face powder in the shade Unbelievable. This is definitely not a face powder. This is a highlighter. I don't know why they didn't call it face powder, but it's pretty. It's gold. It's a true gold color. I got 2 lip pencils, and these are from the brand TatyBeauty. One is in the shade Chocolate Truffle, and the other one is in the shade Tiramisu. The next product I also got is the Fenty Beauty Freestyle highlighter. I like the packaging of these highlighters. Oh, this one is pretty. Such a pretty color. Love the packaging of this Fenty Beauty, this octagonal shape. The other product is the Seattle London Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. So excited to try some new primers out, which I have so many new primers that I haven't even tried yet, but this one was calling my name. I'm really excited to use this. So stay tuned for that video because I'm gonna be testing out a lot of new makeups. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and as well turn on that post notification so that way you guys can be noticed when I will be posting that video. The other product that I also pick up is this Lux Beauty Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. Another primer. I think I grab a lot of primers. I think I do. This is how it looks like. Next is another primer from Seattle London. This is the Super Fruit Primer. I just love trying new products out. It doesn't smell nada. It doesn't smell like nothing. Well, outside, I don't know, by applying it on my face it's gonna have a smell, but for now it does not smell like nada. Moving on is another Dominicus Cosmetic lip liner in the shade Brown Sugar. Next are more lip liners, but this time is from this brand called HUGE Cosmetic. I got this shade that is called Underground, and the other shade that is called Ecstatic. The next product are some more Fenty Beauty products, but this time it's their skincare. This is a Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum. I cannot wait to try this product, you guys. I was so anxious to use it, and I was like, I'm gonna wait. It has a nice smell. It has like a vanilla smell. It smells really, really good. And then I also got the Ciara London Everyday Vacay Coconut Lip Oil. I just like to apply it because it does moisturize your lips. So the next product, this palette. This is the Kenya Untitled Beauty Blush and Shine Kit. The packaging is very nice. It has this crocodile case. Beautiful. I got the Lunar Beauty New Prince Color Palette. It has the Cherry Blossom Roses. Cherry Blossom is one of my stuff. I love the Cherry Blossom. I love the packaging and the Luna en el medio, the moon in the middle. This is how the color looks like. On the top and the bottom row, we had the matte eyeshadows, and then on the middle where we have all of the shimmer eyeshadows. So now let's move on with the Mega Drop shot, and let's go on with box number 1. In box number 1, we have the Iconic London the Brow Silk Kit. It looks like that. It comes with wax brow as well with a brush. So this is the brush that it comes with, and it comes with the brow wax. If you guys hear kids talking, because I got my kids inside my beauty room, so you guys are gonna be hearing kids talking. Hope you guys don't mind that. So just let's move on with this video. The next product, the Dominicus Cosmetic Blur and Moisture Serum Primer, and I like that it comes with the palm, so you can control the amount of product you want without wasting product. Another primer, and it's from Ciara London. It's the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. It smells like watermelon. It makes me want to crave watermelon so bad. Next, we have another cat beauty product. This is the Lemon and Lime Lip Oil. This is how it looks like. Let's see if it smells like lime. Oh yeah, this is lemon, and this is lime. And then we have another shade of the lip oil, and I got this shade Blue Raspberry, and it looks like this. It smells so good. So the next product is a cream blush, and it's from the brand Tres Luces, and this is in the shade Girls Night, and this is how it looks like. If this is a cream blush or this is a blush, a cream blush, but it looks powdery. Oh yeah, it's wet. It looks like a powder blush, but when you touch it, you can feel the wetness. Next, we have some more cream blushes. They are from the brand Dominicus Cosmetic. Got her 3 cream blushes. I got the shade Warm Peach, I got the shade Soft Pink, and I got the shade Natural Rose. Next, I got more makeup from Tres Luces. This time, I got highlighter palette. I got the shade Lucete Glow and Lucete Shimmer. This is how they look. This is the Lucete Glow. Oh, okay. The mirror comes out. This one is Lucite Shimmer. The other product is a liquid lipstick from the brand Hola Neon. And this is a liquid lipstick in the shade the Easy Sale. It looks like that. I thought it was gonna be a brown color. La vaina me mintió because it's not even close to the color. How weird this color. Oh well, ya lo compré. No puedo hacer más nada. I also got 2 Zoeva liquid lipstick. I got the shade Clear Message and Natural Aesthetic. They look identical, just like this one. It's a little bit darker than the Zoeva. Cogí colores que no son colores que me gustan. Got some lip contour lip liner from Huda Beauty, and they are called the Lip Contour. I got the shade Muse and the shade Trendsetter. Moving on, we also got more lip liners, and it's from Dust of Color. These are the shade Undressed and the shade Floral. We have another lip liner. I love lip liners, you guys. I love lip liner. And this is from the brand Uoma Beauty. These are the Badass MF Matte Filler Lip Liner. It's in Angelo. Pretty color. So pretty color. I got the Ace Beauty Bronze Palette. Now let's move on with the box number 2. I purchased the Huda Beauty Liquid Lipstick. I got the shade Bunny. I also got the shade Shakia and the shade Revolutionary. I also got this Complex Couture, I think it's called the Blush Trio. Complex Couture Fake Highlighter and Bronzer Squad. I got this kit that is called the Pleasure Point, and then I got this other one that is called the Trio Seeker. And I'm gonna show it to you guys right now because I'm gonna do a test out this product. Let me say once again, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification. Moving on is another Tres Luces. This is La Flor de Mexico. And these are the colors. I also purchased this Ultra Pro palette. This one is in this palette called Boho. This is how it looks like. The next product are these Glam Glow Moisture Trip. This is the Omega Rich Moisturizer. I purchased two because it came as a set for a cheaper price, so I was like, I love to try moisturizer. I purchased two brushes. One is from Zuva, and this is a eyeliner brush to apply your eyeliner. And then we have this Anastasia brush, and this one is the A30 Pro brush. I have another moisturizer to try. Very excited. And it's from Bleach. This is a cream to water hydrating moisturizer. And then we have my favorite mascara that I've been liking ever since I tried the first one. Had to buy another one as a backup. This is the Item Mask Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara. I love this mascara for my lower lashes. Mascara is very good for your lower lashes. It makes it look very long, and it's a really long lasting mascara. Next we have the Suva Hydro Liner Cream Eyeliner. This is in the shade Grease. That is the blackest black that they have. The other product is the Huda Beauty Pastel Mint Palette. They are very, very pretty. The next product is the Rare Beauty Always and Optimist Bare Illuminating Primer. This is the primer. I cannot wait to try this. I love her liquid blushes. Very pigmented. A little bit goes a long way, but I always just hydrate applying it. Okay, moving on. Got the Cover Effect Costume Enhancer Palette. These are some highlighter palettes. Next product is another palette, and this is the Violet Voss Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette. Very pretty for the winter. Like this green olive color here. I'm gonna just swatch. Like it's calling my name to swatch this one. This is a nice olive color. And then we have this Iconic London Multi-Use Cotton Palette. This is the cream contour, the cream bronzer, cream setting powder, concealers. And then we have Ultra palette, and this one is the Good to Go palette. And the other one is another palette, but this one is from Zoeva. It's called the Opulence palette, and it looks like that. I purchased another Ultra palette. This one is called the Free Spirit palette. How it looks like. For the last mega drop shop, this box have a lot of premium boxes that were back then, like in 2021. I remember I got like some premium looks and face boxes. There you have it. We have a bunch of Boxycharm unboxing. So we have this first one right here. This is the Boxycharm Premium, and inside of this box is called the Boxycharm Spell Bond. I think this one is the one from October. And on this premium box, we have the Secret in the Snow Soft Styling Foam. This is a hair care, and this one costs $22. I think the premium boxes are the ones that cost $35, $39 monthly or 6 products. I think it comes with 6 products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 products. It also comes with this Benefit blush in Georgia, and it comes with a mini brush like it always used to, because now their blushes, I don't think it comes with some brushes. And then we have this one that is called the Pharmacy Whipped Green Oil Free Cleanser. And we have this Tar Plumping Gloss. It's supposed to plump your lips, supposed to make it bigger. The next product we also got is this brow, which I already used, and I'm gonna be putting it in the giveaway that I'm gonna be doing. This is in the shade medium. And then we have the 111 Skin, which I already have, so I have another one as the back. And lastly, we have the 2 of God Under Eye Pad. So that is all what I got from that premium box. Next box, and this is another premium box. This is another October box, and inside of this premium box we have the True Plus Luscious Lucky Glow Bronze and Highlight Palette. Ooh. This one is so pretty. We have another brow growing eyebrow pencil that I'm gonna be including it in my giveaway. So I have two winners for that giveaway. So one winner is gonna be winning the medium one and the other one is gonna be winning the dark one. And then we have more of the under eye volumizing collagen pad. This Hurricane MD Vitamin C Ester Citrus Brightening Cleanser. Another 111 Skin Antioxidant Energizing Essence. And we have another Tarte Plumping Gloss. We have a Tres Luces makeup. This is a Tres Luces DIM palette. That is all that I got from this premium box. Another box here, and this one is the premium box, but it's the Norvina plus Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills. On this box, it came with a shimmer body oil, and then we have this highlighter. This is the Anastasia Loose Highlighter in Peach Feet. We have this Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer. This one, it is in the shade Saddle. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in dark brown. And then we have a liquid lipstick in the shade Heather. It looks like this. I purchased this box specifically for one reason only: the Norvina pack. I got the third one, the orange one. So this one is the one that I wanted it as well. Oh my god, these colors are so beautiful. I know you guys already have seen it, but if you haven't, sorry, it looks like so beautiful. Like in person, it's something else what you're looking at on the camera right now. I have two boxes more, you guys. I told you guys that this is gonna be a pretty long video, so I warned you guys to grab some snack and some drink because it was gonna be a pretty long video. So I warned you guys in the beginning. So next box is this box here, and this is the, I think this one is the base. And on this box we have the iconic London Lace Chaser Face Palette. This mini product here, Pineapple Hazel Glossy Lip Butter from the brand Truly. And then we have this Lava A Los Angeles Flurry Lash Set. We have a mascara from the brand All Night Bender. Another moisturizer from Summerville, the Glow Moisturizer. And the other product that I also got on this box is the Clean Slate Clearing Mist. And moving on to the last box and the last product from this haul video. This is the Luxe Boxycharm. So the first thing is this palette. This is a Cat Cosmetic Volume 1 Home Tour palette. I have the Volume 2. Looks like this. This one has 2 bronzers and 6 press setting powder. Next we have the Boxycharm Beauty Washing Machine. I just cannot wait. I cannot wait to try this product out. Next on this Luxe Boxycharm, we got the Grace and Stella Sleep Mask. The other product is the Dr. Brandy Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. We have so many moisturizers to try out. And then we have the iconic London Triple Tree Mascara in black. The other product we have is another Rare Beauty product. This is the Blot and Glow Touch-Up Kit Translucent. So this is a powder. And then we have this Bamboo Body Polish. We have the Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Provided Power Whip. It came with a flat iron. This is the Adagio California Not So Mini Ceramic Flat Iron. I'm gonna see if it works. If it works, I will let you guys know. Well, that is all for this mega drop and drop shop haul. Hopefully it wasn't too long. Make sure you guys give this video a huge thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Turn on the post notification also so you guys can be noticed when I will be posting a new video. Let me know what product you guys would like me to review on, and I will be gladly happy to do so. And until my next one, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. If you guys can see my desk right now, it is like wow.